Going to a car show, knowing nothing about cars.
It's so faded.
Wow, look at my vehicle.
Look how nice it is.
I melt in your hands, soaked in sweat when we dance. I fall to my knees, baby. Wanna get you alone, I'm not ready to ignite.
Start her up. Let this puppy roar.
It's running.
Is it? Wait, is it?
Yeah.
Boy, right here. What year is this car?
2017, the sport model.
Sport
It has
model.
a leather steering wheel. Vintage 2017. They don't make this colorway anymore. Yeah. Solid. I parked as close to the cool cars as I could.
Want us to go home now, no turn off every light, baby, burn me to ashes. Then I rise, then I rise. You set my body, all on my body. You set my body, all on my body.
Oh my God, look at that bike! Whose bike is this? It's so beautiful! It does seem cool.
Shut down in my brain, don't know what to say. Too much chemistry, baby. Wanna get you alone.
You almost bodied him, man.
I'm so sorry. I knew they did
Oh, yeah. Or something heavier since it's a car meet. Kinda. Your hair is like so yellowish orange in this. Like platinum blonde.
That's awful. I wanted it to be white. I don't want it to be yellow.
No, it glows. Maybe it's because it's just more.
Ooh, that's very similar.
Chuck it.
No. 549.
Tragedy has struck in the Skopek household, and the Bobcat is stuck. If you're curious and you're like, why don't you just use a truck to get it out? This is why. A truck won't fit here. The backyard pit is a truck eater, and we don't want to lose two vehicles. So we need a Bobcat to Bobcat mission to save the Bobcat. It's very treacherous out here. in her glory. All fallen will rescue you. I had to send a Snapchat of it to my friends for my streaks. Help has arrived. He shall be saved. Yeah.
I can't believe you did all this.
I know. It's saved. Yay! Dean, you're the best. Thank you.